Evicting a tenant in California isn't easy. It's a legally complex process designed to protect both landlords and tenants. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps, legal requirements, and smart tips for handling evictions the right way. Before you begin, make sure you have a valid legal reason. Common grounds include non-payment of rent, lease violations, or illegal activity. Holdover tenants who refuse to leave after their lease ends can also be evicted. Always document issues carefully. Missing paperwork can lose your case. The eviction process starts with an official notice to the tenant. 3-day notices are used for unpaid rent or correctable lease violations. 30-day or 60-day notices apply for no-fault evictions based on how long they've lived there. Notices must be served correctly to be valid: personal delivery, posting, or certified mail. If the tenant doesn't comply with the notice, your next step is legal action. File an unlawful detainer lawsuit with your local superior court. Provide a copy of the lease, served notice, proof of service, and a completed complaint. A court summons is then officially served to the tenant by a third party. After being served, the tenant has 5 business days to respond. If they don't respond, you can request a default judgment. If they contest it, a court date is set for both sides to present their case. Always prepare thorough documentation and evidence. If the judge rules in your favor, next steps happen fast. The court issues a judgment of possession and possibly a monetary award. A writ of possession allows the sheriff to post a 5-day notice to vacate. If the tenant doesn't leave, the sheriff conducts a lockout. Landlords can't do this themselves. California law protects tenants from unlawful practices. No self-help evictions. You can't change locks, remove belongings, or shut off utilities. No harassment or threats of any kind. No discrimination based on race, gender, religion, or other protected categories. Good management can prevent eviction headaches before they start. Screen tenants carefully, check credit, employment, and rental history. Use clear, detailed lease agreements outlining expectations. Maintain open communication and offer payment plans when possible. Evicting a tenant legally and professionally protects your property and reputation. For stress-free tenant management and expert eviction services in California, contact Ryconn Property Management today at 866-960-8797. Let our team handle it for you.